could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to discuss about anti-peptic ulcer drugs. So we will see what are the causes of peptic ulcer. Number one is the gram-negative bacteria H. pylori. Then the use of NSAID also leads to the peptic ulcer. Then we will see signs. First of all, there will be increased acid secretion, and secondly, there will be less mucosal defense available. Then we have treatment purposes. First of all, we will see that we have to eradicate H. pylori, a gram-negative bacteria, from the mucosal membrane. Then we have to decrease gastric acid secretion by using multiple medications. Then we have to increase mucosal defense. Yes, we have two drugs included in this: misoprostol and sucralfate. In eradication of H. pylori, antimicrobial agents are used. In case of gastric acid, H2 receptor antagonist, PPI means proton pump inhibitors, and prostaglandin prostaglandins are used. Then we have antimicrobial agents. In antimicrobial agents, we will see first the treatment purpose. We have to kill H. pylori, a gram-negative bacteria, from GIT. And how to diagnose that the patient is suffering from H. pylori induced peptic ulcer? The question is this, and the answer is very simple. Through some of the tests that will be made on the patient. So for example, endoscopic biopsy, urea breath test, serology test, and histology test. Urea breath test, serology, and histology test, these are non-invasive methods of diagnosing. Then we have clinical significance, in which first of all we will see eradication of H. pylori, secondly healing of the active ulcer, and third we have to reduce recurrence rate, but means frequency of symptoms to appear must be decreased. Then we have to discuss the therapies which are followed in the antimicrobial agents. We have quadruple and triple therapies. Quadruple, we have BMTP. B stands for bismuth subsalicylate, M metronidazole, T for tetracycline, and P for proton pump inhibitors. Then we have triple therapy, in which we have ACP, A for amoxicillin, C for clarithromycin, and P for proton pump inhibitor. Okay. Amoxicillin can be replaced with metronidazole if patient has tolerance against penicillin based antibiotics. Here you can see